Hello friend. Now I am going to next part which are not completed in first video, that is how to actual search or download the ebooks and e-journals from Enlist platform. Again I will go to Enlist platform, then log in here, and I would like to show the journals from JSTOR. Just click to JSTOR platform, then it will open before you. It takes a little bit time. Once it is open the JSTOR platform, it is a symbol of the JSTOR. And suppose if you want to uh, find out the journal regarding, suppose I show the geography, climate, CLIMATE, climate. Okay, just keyword put here and just click to search icon, then explore JSTOR. Here is show various types of options and journals show before us. It is a climate change education outcomes book chapter. Okay, page number 25 to 23. And just if you want to download it, here is given download option. Okay, and accept proceed to download, just go and click to accept proceed. These documents will be show before you. Okay, below show, and it is open document, and this is a full page of document of the climate. In this way you can search various types of documents, journals, books for your academic purpose. There is no restriction because we have purchased this database, this platform from Implipnet, and that's why it is very useful to us. Now I go to back and show you another platform. Okay, you have seen the JSTOR. Then I will go to McEachran Hill. Okay, it is very popular international publication. And suppose if you want to book any regarding the McEachran Hill publication, then it will be very useful to us. And it is opening now, showing us that. Okay, authority books at your fit fingers. Just put title here, put here ProQuest database is attached with it, and in the search box search suppose botany. Okay, and click to search. It will show you botany related books, fundamentals of botany volume 1st, avocado botany production and users. All these books are available to you with free of cost. And here one icon is given here, it is a downloading option. Just go here and click here, then we will ask continue. This show that your system should have Adobe Digital Edition. This is app. If this app is available on your system, then that book will be open, otherwise it will not be open to you. That's why be assured with this app your system should be updated by applying various apps which are required to this platform. And if not, then you can get from Adobe Digital Edition from your Play Store, and it will be download from it. Once you have downloaded it, this book will also be open before you. In this way, I hope that